If you attempt 12, 13, you get 11 correct. So your score automatically is going to be 30 plus, which is surely getting you above the 85-90 percentile mark in verbal. If you can get up to 15 questions correct, your VRC score is more than 40-45, then you are getting a 99 percentile in VRC in the CAT exam, and that is what you are looking at. So first find the 10 must-do questions in each paper. That gives you a perspective to get the cutoff clear, sectional cutoff. The second point is then, if VRC is your strong section, try to maximize it. So pick up at least 5 to 7 questions more after the first 10 that you could have solved in every paper. Then pick up 5-7 more questions which you could solve. And if you still have time left, then if there are 1 or 2 TETA questions in which you want to do some guesswork, please do that, because you're not going to lose marks. If you've got 2-3 minutes left, 1 or 2 TETA questions, the negative marking is not going to be there. And if you make an intelligent guess and it goes right, you will gain 3 to 6 marks. So that is what should be your strategy. Just go through the CAT papers and see the questions that could be attempted, so that in the actual paper, you get a feel of what you should attempt and what you should leave. See, the purpose of giving the mocks is to prepare you to pick and choose. You should not attempt the whole paper. You pick up those questions which you're very confident about. So the first attempts have to be those questions that you're confident about. The second level of attempt has to be in which you have 80% surety. The third level of attempt has to be the last 2-3 minutes in which you can do the non-negative questions. If you want to do a little bit of guesswork, you can do that.